This PC is about to get an AI assistant installed, running, and answering in about a minute, faster than most of us can find the any key. Let's go. Head to Claude.ai and grab the Windows app. While that downloads, this is Claude, made by Anthropic, free to start, no credit card, no 12-step sign-up saga. Run the installer, and that's it. No wizard maze, no bonus toolbars, no checkbox ambushes. Launch it, sign in with your email or Google account. Quick word on plans. The free tier does real work, but a lot of the deeper features like projects, research, extra models, and Claude Code need a paid plan. Pro runs about $20 a month or 17 billed yearly. Max starts at $100 for all-day power users. Start free, upgrade when you hit the ceiling. Now ask your first question. Anything at all, it won't judge your typing. Answers stream in live, and it remembers the whole conversation, unlike your browser's 47 open tabs. Time for a real job, drafting an email. Just say what you want in plain English, no commands to memorize. Seconds later, a ready-to-send draft. Copy it anywhere. Need a tweak? That's one line. Make it shorter. Done. There it is. Your PC has a resident AI. One download, one click, and it's already doing your homework. This is Zero to Claude, Episode 1. Tomorrow, the keyboard shortcut that summons Claude inside any app, like a genie minus the lamp. Subscribe and build your skills a few minutes a day.